We are the Esan. Who know Esan? If you not measure Edo, who know Esan? If you measure Edo, you measure the Benins. Nobody know Esan. And now, we not even know our culture. Like, seriously. We not even get culture because it's very obvious. So, we not get our culture. We will be the real those, the Benins. Maniri SSS. We will come out there for decades. We praise we praise where we came from. We praise our great Edo land. We praise our great God. That's Oba Edo. It's not just about Benin. It's Oba Edo. And it's Osaloboa. Oba is just an abbreviation of his name. He's a God on earth. They come out now. They say Esan history. Where that history won't go? And they ask you, where that history won't go? It shows so I won't get culture. Because we will be Benin, we are very proud. Esan people, you guys were never proud of where you came from. You ask Esan person, say where you from come. He go say, like, you people, we are never proud. Social media where you don't come. Facebook don't there for a long time. You can never see an Esan person, they come and they say, I'm on the no be now. Every waga boo boo, why boo boy? If you waga boo boo, boo boy. I'm on the no be now. Every waga boo boo, why boo boy? If you waga boo boo, why say boo boy? None of them. You go see you before you even know. Esan one, they won't even one bibini. Some of all these Islamist class where they come up now, they rant, they talk, what they don't know. They play Bini everywhere where they go. You people, we are never proud of the Esan one that they put for head now. Now, because of jealousy, because we don't give them a woto. All of them they come out now. Esan to the wadi, who know Esan? Edo to the world. It's called Edo to the world. It's not Esan. There's nothing like Esan to the world. Are you hearing me? It is called a door to the world. You are as an Esan miscreant. Come out there and say Esan to the world. You are fooling yourself. You don't know what you are doing. You don't know what you are saying. Because you are under a door. Even your energies, they are under a door. There is chiefs. There's no way when I feel change and say, hey, we they see that they see about for a Benin, for Esan, and not they miss up I'm your bevaredo. Now we will be beneath the jealousy one will be Esan wanna get because the way we tell it proud, because of the way we will tell love will come from, and we are so proud of it. There's no Benin musician. There's no musician where come from Benin, even though in UK day, in America day, we never use Benin Empire to sing. We never use Oba Edo to sing. Have you ever seen an Esan miscreant come and say, Enoje Rami, Ugbu, how many of them in a day? I'm a Zalena now. Everywhere boo boo, why boa boa? If you want boo boo, why boa boa? None of they sing. Because they will not see now. One of you come and come say one challenge way for Kuna, one bad the finger where they feed you. Now all of you come say Esan song day. How many Esan songs don't go viral? Esan get musician. How many? Name them to me. Who? The biggest musician for Esan villages. The biggest musician for Esan villages. The upcoming Edo Benin musician. He get a person. Because nobody wants to hear that language. Nobody even knows if Esan exists. Nobody wants to know. Before you measure Esan to anybody, you measure Edo State. They will not ask you, where be Esan? Where be, you say is now under Edo State the day. Of course. Now so we take the carry on the waka, the carry on the waka, the carry on the waka, the carry on the waka. Now I make all of una. We not going to talk anyhow today. Now I make all of una. If they ask you, say, where are you from? You say, I'm from Edo. Because we dey cover una with that umbrella. And all of una, we don't use that umbrella cover, say, I'm from Edo. Today, una want to talk, say, hey, Iwa Bokyan Lawa, Ogun ba Beluwa. Ogun ba Beluwa, ni Esan. We call the talk today now, say, hey, we don't use our umbrella take cover. Since 90 don't date. Even your great-great-grandfather. Even Aslam, they still they use a door. If Aslam he go Italy, there, he go carry a shower, they will tell and say, he go, where are you from? He go say, I'm from Edo State. He will never say, I'm from Uromi. They will ask him, where is Uromi? Because nobody knows Uromi. I'm saying the fact. For Nigerian passport, as an Edo person, your passport, they will write on Nigeria, Edo State, Nigeria. Have you ever seen a place where they write Esan State, Nigeria? When I want to imitate the hype of the Onyamiris will not get, they don't know where they come from. Even the Onyamiris where they feel say, they even get their east. They never feel still get the Biafra. Since how many years where they cry, they come. So they don't buy each other finish for their east. Now you will be small village, Esan. It's a small set of people. Una not even reach, if they say me they can't una not even reach 500 for the whole of Esan villages. Uromi, Igwebe, Akwakwe, Asuku, Aseke, Asukuruku, Asikelekele, Ekbubu, Ekbisike, Ekbisan. Wama, una not reach. They say me they can't una not reach 500. Oh, yeah, many people they even men is small for their own east, for their own bush, where they there for there. All those cost people will not get culture. They shall see how many years say they want their Biafra. Nobody they answer they instead they put all of them for inside kiri. One by one. Kiri. If you not to make noise, you see Aslan, how I am waiting. Aslan go become Now you to make noise. Aslam go become a fugitive like Kalu. Kalu was what Kalu. Unabdi was what Kalu. I'm telling you the fact. Make una self shut up now. Why I see again? Buwa. Now do be in why you know what I do. Allah okay there. I got there. If those not be we the Edo people, my Edo, we the Benin, we are the Edos. We just the carry on along. Una we be some people. We the carry on along. We the carry on along. Una can't say una can't get further. Una can't give us rules and regulations. Some Isebe people will come out. That thing where they say, if there's a man there for party, they'll say Benin person must break collar. You dey craze. If Aslan there for party, now small Benin man where go there for that party, that go break collar. You can never change it. It's an history. It has to be there. I fear where we are. They don't they change them. And you see all this Esan miscreant, Esan bad blood. We don't know themselves. They'll say they want peace. They'll call they come out. Benin people. I like first than one. This one I wait here some people want. More than not they let small pikin they break collar for the party where Esan elderly man they craze. Who you want brainwash? Who you want brainwash? Oh God beluwa. It has been written. Edo. If to say it not there like that right from time. We for the years Esan Edo. Look at you people. Cost Esan people. And they come out they rant. And they come out they talk anyhow. And they come out they rant. They rant. If to say not be we will be Benin people. The one will tell the praise where will come from. Now on daybreak. A bed don't work be. Now Esan to the world. Until una gather una Esan state. How many people one day in Esan State? 500 people. Who are? Oh, to una get down na Esan State. If you write down as an SMB person, say Esan to the world, people will just look at your post and laugh at you as a mugger, a mugger. Fight your Esan State before you come out and say Esan to the world. There's nothing like Esan to the world. It is called Edo to the world. So long Esan still there under Edo, they are Edos. They belong to the Oba Edo. Oh, kuak polo polo. Oh, gidi granobedo. No go poor body. There's nothing like Oba of Benin. The palace is in Benin, but it's Oba Edo. Oba no Banedo. Ati Oba no do Banedo. So, before you come out there as an Esan idiot, they say Esan to the world or they write up for your post. My dear, shut up your mouth. Even very dark man knows. Very dark man is talking. He go say Edo to the world. We are the Edos, of course. Which better person don't come out for Esan village? Now get name. Not be Edo name they cover una. Before una go they say Esan to the world, now they write out for post that they talk of una use less customers. Una for no, una don't know where I come from. Some say they be hype up. Can you imagine? They don't even share themselves. Some say they be hype. Oh, don't you know, Jay? He said they be hype up. Agbo, of course, would say they be hype up. Monkey face, so your boss said they be hype up. Monkey face, now we don't drive out more for our Edo land. He don't go to Esan village. No, we have here what Tori, wa do. Or you be look what do, boom, one, what way I say, far would do, or you came out. Oh, your bag if we don't go so la betua. Ever know your bag like I here so go. Before you start to the command to say, Esan to the world, Mona fair fight. Una see since how many years we be a fool people, all these poor people they fight, they come say they need Biafra where they never still get so they almost all the East people, all the Igbo Tiantis, Igbo ritualist people, all of them they don't enter prison. As they shut down they come. So if you know so you be Esan woman, Esan useless man, Esan useless woman, oh yeah, before you they say Esan to the world. Go fight as IPOP take the fight. So make sure say they carry Aslam, they put her for prison first. Make sure say Aslam go there prison. 500 people wait there for Esan village. All of them go there prison first. You will make sure soon I don't afford that Esan state before now come the toss Esan to the world. If not, you still be a dog. You now I don't take for your passport. You come out there and say Esan to the world. Oh, go on, black bitch. Oh, go on, Esan here. More time. I never come assist my people because of say me I talk them again. Because of say I be person where they respect culture well. But that not me say if I dey respect culture, you throw words to where I from come. Ya gbera igbijuwe bae. Igbele mi ya no gba di akuwa me abo fen ni wa ti enofen. Enofen of enemy, enofen of Emokimi, enofen of Ubiaka, enofen of Uromi, enofen of an enemy, ofen wahin. The original name for Enoje of Esan is called Enofen of Esan. You see enofen of Uromi, you see enofen of Fekdoma, you see enofen of Ubiaka, you see enofen no feyahin, ofen, akaro no rob, ofen no de yame, ofen no de, ofen no yamano, eyakin. It is not the word, it is not called enoje. The real word. The word energy came out from the word enofen, enerati, enofen, enimizi, enovien. Iyo salobwa is not energy. They are called enovien. Iyo salobwa, you want to come and change it for me? Oh, come back, Bishwa. You want to come to TikTok and say they want peace. I beg. Benin people, make una they let Esan person break color. Edo Dion. Edo nyat oba nyato ya se webo. Ah saga do Dion do asaga. Edo Dion. You can never change that narrative. Oh wa Mickey. You can go and be brainwashing those that are calling on your platform that are there. Making fool of themselves. When they call themselves Edo, they are not Edos. Majanu Wanesa wa wavyo ahia. They say be wahi. Before you go come out, say Esan to the world. May they not go deport you if you be a Esan person. And they tell you now, don't you San who you San or here you so long because the word Esan. The word Esan came out from the word Esan. Esan means shit. The word Esan came out from the word Esan. Esan means shit in my dialect. Do you understand what I'm saying? I want to advise you now as an Esan or Esan person. I want to give you an advice. May they not go deport you. Before you they say Esan to the world, make sure say you go right Esan state. Make sure say you don't cry or you don't as hyper people be a fool people just they cry. How many years they come, they never still get all of them because of the cry when they cry, they don't get what they feel. All of them don't be prisoners now for East. Make sure say una will still cry. See nothing big no date. Una go still cry, everlasting cry. Before una come get to the Esan state, if una get time, before now they say Esan to the world though. Because when you come out there and say Esan to the world, Oyibo go ask you, my sisters, Esan, is it a country? Or where? You go say from Nigeria. You go say where? I have never heard about that name, Esan. Because say no from it. Hey, if you don't say from Edo, they will not know where you are coming from. They will not know. So shut the fuck up. If you don't know something, Edo ile wana hamuwa. Wama bege Edo tioni. Don't change it. Even though say na Esan woman you marry na Esan brother you get Esan enemy Esan na de bolo wafie Esan na de kanyo ekia for he my brother, not grief for anybody. Now that one be the jealousy where they worry them. Because now we can't even open their eye. Now Esan people wake up, walk on the Thursday. Esan, yeah. Where for the year Esan year before? All the Esans, they are under Benins. They are under, they come out. You can never see. Now, wake up. Wake us up. We don't give una woto. Now, I want to say, Esan. Nobody know Esan. Even for Nigeria, we not there. If you not call Edo State, you call Esan, you not call Edo State, nobody go recognize that word Esan. They go only, when you measure Edo State, they go recognize, okay, Edo State, okay, Esan, they under Edo State. Of course, it's very logic. We are people with pride. We the Edos, we the Benins, the great Benins. We have pride. Not be saying I should bend mama fly. Now that one they know us for. If yet though, we get pride where we'll not go pull hand. And our pride, if you say make you just do anyhow, we go match you, we'll take our pride, we'll take and crush you. Do you know why? Because we are proud of our heritage. We are proud of where we came from. That is why you see Edo to the world. Go and Google it today. Write Edo to the world. Before you write an Edo, Google now go write and come out by yourself, say to the world. Write Esan. You not go even see anything about Esan for Google. Nothing. We have pride. That is why we are Ivie. We are the Benins, the great Benins. We are the greatest. We are the number one. You see all these Yoruba people, they are just making noise. If to say, not be the way they take treat a Caladera. When he go exile, when he be say, now our mother, when he be, when he not born, but she was married to a chief. She not born. A mother, her name was a mother. She was the first woman when get daycare for the whole of Africa. A mother was the one that rescued a Caladera. A Caladera. He went on exile. That was how he found a place and settled in that place. And that place he settled in today now becomes a land which is Yoruba land. He settled there. The all Yorubas that are making noise today, they were serving our and hell to the throne of Benin. They were all serving and held to the throne of Benin, which was a Caladera. They were all serving him. Time goes by. He got married. He married one of the Yoruba people. He marries one of them. He got married to one of them. And before you know it, they started bearing children. So you see, if they see all these Yoruba people, they make noise. Our king, now he can't open an eye. Now our king, because of some kind of things will happen for our great kingdom, when he enter exile, now our king will not be badantu. You just see some Yoruba people, you see how stupid they are. They will just come out and say, what's the name of this? What do you call them? What do you call them? You go say he fall from heaven. He fell from the sky. He fell from the sky. He came from heaven. What's his name again? Please, somebody should write it here. What's his name? Please, somebody should write it out here. Oduduwa. They said Oduduwa, the Yoruba people, to know how stupid and uneducated they are. They go come out. Even small people where they born today cannot come out to say that kind of thing. Say Oduduwa fell from the sky. Una way they list if to say something una way they let them they brainwash una not be mumu. Have you don't ever read this which there say somebody fall from heaven? Even in the Bible, First Testament, Second Testament, I know whether it's not get third and fourth and sixth and seventh testament now, because me I know they go church. I believe in Olokun because we serve Olokun in where I came from. We serve Oba and Olokun. I don't go to church. You see these people that call themselves Christians. They are the ones without culture. People like the Onyamiri people, they don't have culture because they serve Mary. These are the people that serve statues. Imagine the Igbos. Some of them, their great grandfathers, they were serving they were all serving what's it called? There's one this thunder, what they call them for their useless language. Amadioha. The Igbos, they were serving Amadioha. After the Jewish, the Israelites, they brainwashed them, they brought Christianity because of slavery. They can't carry them, they can't put their nonsense Bible where they write. They can't give out to them. Do you know the Igbos started buying themselves? Say, who no accept Mary Magdalene as his own God? They go buy them. That is why you go to Igbo land today. You go to the east today. You see, there are some people that they call God, oh, there are some people they call like slave. There's a word they call it in the Igbo language. I will not block any of you. Just be writing and be commenting whatever you want. It's not a problem. Please, what is the Onyamiris they call all those people when no accept Mary Magdalene? What do they call them? The same Igbos, so may you see say they are all fools. The same Igbos, they were all serving Amadioha together. In the east, they were serving Amadioha. Their forefathers were serving Amadiohas. But when the Oyibo, the Westerners, the white people, when they bring the Bible, when they use their hands, they come place stuff, put down for their head. Do you know they started, these Onyamiri people, they started fighting themselves. The people will not accept statue, plastic, as Mary Magdalene as their God. They named them Osu. And that is why, when you see this IPOP, this useless Onyamiri people, the people they call Osu are the people that still believe and hold on to their forefathers or to the words of their forefathers that are still holding on to Amadioha today. They don't. When you go to all these places that these useless Igbo people, this set of people that they call Osu today, when you go to all these people, you go meet them, these people they call Osu today, I swear to God, you will never see them say they are Catholics. They still serve their Amadiohas. They still serve their Amadiohas. Show me a place in the whole of Benin. Now only Benin, 9 white people, they invaded our kingdom. But show me where Benin person for they serve Mary Magdalene as status as their God. No, we still believe in what we believe in. They try to remove us from our head, say our Oba is not our God. They try to give us statue of Mary Magdalene. We never accepted it. Till today as we speak, our Oba remains our God. Go and ask the Onyamiri people. Because of just little statue, Mary Magdalene statue, they started fighting themselves. That is why you see, as we speak today, the Onyamiris, the East, the useless Igbo people, they are being divided. Some are called Osu, the slaves. Some are called the Igbos. The Igbos, what they call themselves the Igbos? They are the slaves. Slaves, they run for their brain. They run for their blood. That was why, when you go to all these Igbo Nyamiri people, they bow down for Mary. You see them, they go take bead when they take the dress, they go carry bead for hand. Hey Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou amongst women, and blessed are the fruit of the womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us now at the hour of our death. Amen. Like seriously, how can you, if you are not a fool, how can you say you know Jesus, now Jesus will serve, how can you be serving the mother? Jesus is supposed to be the God that you are serving. Is there has there ever been an history in the Igbo, in the East, in the time of your forefathers, where they say Jesus? That is why you see all this Igbo movie today. They still believe in Amadioha. They still believe in Amadioha. But you see the Igbos ranting today when they say that they don't get anything, they don't know anything. They lost time to the white people. They embrace the white people God and they throw away the Amadioha for bush. That is why they are being confused in today. That is why they are cursed people today. That is why they would never go forward. That is why anything when they put hand, they work out for them. They work for them. They work for them. That is why they don't even know where they came from. That is why you see some Onyamiri, the Igbo people today, some of them, some will say they are from Israel, some will say they are from Egypt, some will say they are from this. Like seriously, they don't know anything. Tell me, as Oyibo they conquer, they come invade our great empire, our great land. Show me one village for the whole of Edo where be say we for the bad down for Holy Mary statue. You know they. So you listening or answering to all this useless Igbo people without culture, you are a fool like them. Do you understand what I'm saying? You are just stupid. You even move past them. Because we still believe in our cultures and tradition in Edo. Even as Oyibo still invade us, we still hold up to our tradition and our custom. We still hold up to it. Yes. Okay, let's go there again. Yariba people. Yoruba, Yariba. Our name you were shitty for us. Yoruba person. Wait, they say, now the poor way to the shit. You go, y'all pour water, throw away the shit for inside. Put away, carry broom for inside, take out, take pounder, use and take cook, or your family go eat. Yoruba people in the shop cheat. As a Yoruba person, a Yoruba man or Yoruba woman, if they say me they can't swear whether you never chop shit, not swear because they swear, it go buy you. Because that shit now in they eat. Now shit now the Yorubas now they grow up rich like this. If to say some of them not be fools. The Yoruba people, they say they are educated people. How can an educated person come out on social media to brainwash you or to tell you that their Ododuwa came down from the sky? You that is a Christian, or you that calls yourself a Christian that is listening to me right now, or you wait don't read history, you don't ever read history, you don't read Bible, you wait they read Bible, you don't read Bible or history or anything reach where they say somebody come down from sky. Like seriously? And you allow those people, those foolish people to deceive you? What are they saying? Does it really make sense? Like the Oduduwa came down from the sky. And there was a video I saw on TikTok, as in they acted it like when the Oduduwa came down from the sky, like the whole people were like, Oduduwa, they were all bowing down for him. I was like, oh my God. Una guessing. You as a Yoruba person, this your Yoruba miscreant online, where they rant, where they talk nonsense about una, can't you come out as a Yoruba person with guesses and come and debunk all those things? Because ever since I was born, I never seen her for where they for right off. Even Moses, I mean Abraham, blessings are mine. Abraham, God love Abraham so much for First Testament. We not see and say Abraham fall from sky. Now Yoruba Ododuwa come from sky. And they will be telling you those kind of useless history. You'll be giving them listening ears. You'll be paying attention to this rubbish. My people, more kuna grow up, make una get sense. Now make no. How can somebody? Can you go to a Western, or you go to an Austrian man or woman, or an American woman or American man? You go to them and say, our God came down from the sky. They will look at you as a fool. Even as we speak, the Oyibo don't even believe say there's a God anywhere. They believe say you straff woman get belle. They don't believe in all these things. God there forever. That is why. That is the reason some Oyibo they go space. They go check that up where all of them they point out to say God in heaven. They go check that up. That earth, that up, so we cloud they cover, they go check her. They reach there, they don't see anything. They don't see God, they don't see Jesus. You know why God, they never be God, they never be Jesus. They don't see God, they don't see G. How much person are Zos they want see? No Zos there. The only thing when they see for them, now just cloud. So then they come say, okay, since now only here now we don't check. We never still see God, we don't see Jesus. But Godson, they Godson, they don't see G, they don't see Sus, they don't see God. The only thing where they carry come out from son now Apollo, some by inside there, the son born them. Now they constantly look, or people constantly look and say, okay, since we don't go up now, where everybody they point out, oh God of heaven, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Me, I don't know Jesus, I don't know anybody. Now I know as my Jesus. My Abba is the Jesus that lives on earth. There's no Jesus anywhere. My Abba is my Jesus. Abba Nedo is my Jesus. I swear. Oh, if both still go up, they don't see anything. They go some, they go everywhere, they don't see you. Then they can say, okay, this ground where everybody hear the point to, Seta, Seta, they inside ground. Oh, people, they carry something, they go inside ground, they read that they don't see anything. What did they see? That's also sand, mom, sand. Where did Satan? Where did the devil? They don't see him. So, after Oyibo don't still tear on our eye, now one some set of Yoruba people will not get sense, where they shit for us, where they use shit they feed their children, where they use shit they feed, where you shit they grow up. Now some Yoruba people what can they tell you say they know history, say that history that they read say Ododuwa came down from the sky. Are you people okay? Okay, let's forget about tradition here. Let's forget about tradition. Mock we talk in a very reasonable way, say in educative way. You don't read history reach there. You don't see her for anywhere. Even Oyibo as they do reach. You don't see where Oyibo for say so person so many years ago he fall from the sky. You don't ever see as Oyibo constantly no reach. Take it or leave it. Oyibo no pass Africans. As Oyibo constantly no rich. They know. Not be saying that God take and bless them. Now research they do when they take on no. As Oyibo can't do research rich. As they know rich. You don't see any Oyibo. Name Clifford as for the. Name bra. All those Oyibo. Ancient Oyibo name we will know. You don't see any of the right time for their history or for whatever for books say. So person, Mr. Stone Collins, Mr. Collins Stone from England or from America once came down from the sky. So why do you allow those people to brainwash you, to fool you, to make you a fool like themselves? Why do you allow these people? Why do you listen to this cock and bull story? The history is there. It's just very obvious. It's very obvious that the Yorubas are lying. They don't even know their history. They don't even have one. It was a Caladeran that went to an exile from Benin Kingdom because there were a calamity there. Because the stepmother, that was when the war Esan will start. The stepmother, they walked by him because of something. May for not accept the throne because it was the first son. Because now first son, now they inherit Papa throne. Now they inherit Oba Obini. Second son, not they inherit. Why are you dropping my video? Oh, boy. Why you they drop my video? Who was who when I drop a video in me? You drop my video. You drop my video. Yeah, drag him. What yeah, drag him, mamma, and I drag him, and I drag Ivie. If you got drag if you drag here, I'm way to if you want to drag Ungwama Obomeki, you back is Sake, Yaki Bokia, Uwado Swung Ubome. If you want to drag you with our drag Ivie, you want to drag you saloboa. Adobomi where in my year school. Here go Oba, all saloboa in Yayo. Oba no do, all saloboa do ya. Iyo salo boy ya ma me na drag ya when you got drag ya ba drag you if you do some wa go me drag e wodo e ko wa bibi aje gbenu wa go me drag e wa drag e o iyo salo boy ne ra mu gba ki me wa ma dragona here with our drag if you drag it. If you continue to drag, if you drag it with them. If you drag it. Oh, salo boy, me drag is in my folder. Eh, me drag is in my folder, baba. Papa lawe, we are on baby. Eh, yes, sir. Yeah, when you are dragging, me I say drag your man drag it or green beluga hair or drag it there. Oh drag it there. Oh drag. Oh man drag your drag yes I yahu. Oh drag it boy yahu. If a boy fear pull the here. Hey saloba me no man like that there. I just no be say I don't still come out now until the burial ceremony for our great kingdom is not finished. Or for our great Ijoba Nedu not finished. And the saga continue. Back. You understand? F1. Yeah, what Agben F1. You yeah, what all work is say. What Agben F1. You me. What Agben F1. F1. Do was it take Ben F100? You work be a bag book. Maybe whatever you. Okay, let's go there. Because of the calamity way there. And they won't even change and I say, okay, they won't change and they don't even bring out story where go make sense to people. They say Oduduwa came down from the sky. Even Jesus, when they say, when they show us, say he came down from the sky. Till today, we never see Jesus for how much we see and say he come down from the sky. Since I was born, I never read down, go anywhere, say somebody don't come down from, somebody once came down from the sky. I never read down. So my people, it is very obvious that these people are trying to fool themselves. They are trying to change the whole thing. With the way they say they change it, it don't even make sense. It is very obvious that a prince from Benin Empire, Benin Kingdom, went on Esan. Now so it take go settle from one place where they say nobody there. That was how the Yoruba people started serving him as an Oba. And that was how the Yoruba people called the word Oba. Because he came from Benin. Now Oba with the answer for where he from come. So when they started serving him, because they met him there, when they started serving him as a king, when he became their king, then he told them, I'm your Oba. That is the reason why you see Yoruba people calling their Oni of Ife enemy Oba. The word Oba is a Benin word. It is obvious. The word Oba is a Benin word. They carry over and go Calabar. Why Ibo? If to say Benin no una say na so Benin come. If to say na so it be. Why they not go Oni? Why they not go Ile Ife? I mean, may they go carry king for Ile Ife. Because they hear about us. They came to Benin Kingdom. They came to Benin Kingdom to invade our palace. Go to England today. Go to their museum, whether you go see anything where you can say, Yoruba people even get artifacts. What did they have? The only thing when you will talk about Yoruba people, listen, let me tell you. There's a woman called I will remember her name. This woman was a native daughter. This woman, now be woman we don't exist for the whole of Yoruba history. Iyalode, go and ask. Iyalode, now be the only woman the only name where everybody wait there for history. Go and read history. Iyalode was a powerful woman, was a spiritual woman with strong ojuju, with strong medicine and strong native doctor. That is why you still see many Yoruba people, they respect Iyalode today. But she was a woman. She was not an Oba. She was just a commoner. Where they say she do juju. She can't dare okay spiritually. It's a Iyalode. Iyalode is the only name where Yoruba people get. So the word Oba is a Benin language, is a Benin word. It was when a Kaladera escaped when they walked by his stepmother, Naitero, who rescued him. Naemota, the first woman will get the first daycare for the whole of Africa. Naite go Esan. He reached there, they started bowing down for him. Then he said, okay, now I'm not your leader. This is the name now they call me Oba. That is how the word Oba, or that is how the Yoruba people started using the word or the name Oba. Then he was there for a very long time. He got married there. He got married to one of these Yoruba people. They started bearing children. At his old age, after he got old, that was when the Benin chiefs, they were looking for him, because to tell you, say, of Yoba, there's an adage in my language, in my great Benin language, the greatest language in the whole of Africa, the greatest of all. If you know, say, oh yeah, don't matter. If we don't have not jealousy. For you to know, there's an adage that says in my language that say, oh Yoba. I sack mon Yoba. Oh, don't walk a day. Do you know that when the chiefs in the Benin Empire, in the Benin Kingdom, when they wanted to crown the younger brother of a Kaladera after the death of their father, when they wanted to crown the younger brother, or they wanted to crown another person on his place because he went on an exile, nobody know where he did. When they wanted to crown the person, the next a king, as in the younger brother, the oracle never accepted it. Children were dying, crops, everybody, things went wrong. The whole of Edo became scattered. Nothing was going well. Then that was when they went for a consultation. And they told them, they said, oh, Yoba, this person will not crown. Not being get this crown. You people should go and look for the right person or the right owner of this crown. That was how they started looking for a Kaladera. Not be we Benin people talking. Even the Oni of Ife said it. He read it. People knows this. Even the Yoruba people, they knows this. It's only the miscreants online that does not know their left from their right. Or that they even know, they know it, but they're just trying to fool themselves. That was when the chiefs in Edo divided themselves into different, as in various bushes, various parts, in the search of a Kaladera, the heir to the throne. And that throne was empty because the gods never allowed it. Not be said God's content and say, no man are not doing, because a lot of calamity they go on. Person way one clan, person way prince not rich, way king not rich body, they will all die mysteriously. Everywhere scatter. The Esaro died mysteriously. A lot of things happened. So they went in search of a Kaladera. That was how Because they put so many chiefs for different places, for different bush. That was how some chief when they said go other parts. Then they go find a Canadera. A Canadera never allowed them. You don't even allow them to enter. Until they even slept there. They even sleep for inside bush before they enter, before they see a Canadera for her. And this time a Canadera was already old. He was already old and he has his own people already. He was like, Una not going make I accept my throne. Now I be king to other people. This is not my land. I cannot follow you. To even start with, I'm a king to other people now. And not to even start with. I have a son. If not so, I feel say my picking may follow now. That was how Ikaladera sent his only son, his own son, to follow the chiefs. And he gave, if we they talk on us, where your history? Do they curse? That was how he followed the chiefs down to the palace, to Great Benin Empire, to Great Benin Kingdom. And that was how they crowned him. They crowned him as a king. When I see all these idiots when they talk, say, they be from Ile-Ife. No. Our head to the throne, our prince that was supposed to be the Oba, went on Esan. He went on Esan. Now so he take body govern or can't be king on top of the Yoruba people. If you people are not crazy, you say, now so, listen, a Kaladeran was already an Oba to another people entirely, to the Yoruba people. They speak Yoruba. And even they were speaking, they changed their language to Bini. That is why when they see Yoruba, no word for Yoruba will not resemble Bini. And after I don't born generation to generation now, he was married to a Yoruba woman. Yoruba woman, he was married to a woman and he has been there as a king. So what do you expect? And he gave those people, the Yoruba people, he gave them, he told them, this is the language that they speak. This is the word, king. This is the meaning of the word king. It's Oba. So one useless Yoruba person will come out there and say, Oba na Yoruba word. Are you mad? So no say I don't great rich. When they talk say, would they call her adage? But this don't be adage. They come to pass. If they come, this won't be any adage. If they always they come to pass. I saw it do I saw my daughter. When the Caladera went there, he tried the people, he put on for the people, but he said, my name as your king is an Oba. And what was it from? He was a Benin prince, and held to the throne of Benin, Great Benin Empire. You come out there and be calling Ile Binu. Do you know how the word Ile Binu came out? Because after the chiefs, all this said no J. So, what they call there, where all this say some miscreant, they call our king. You be a some person, you say our king again, you are a useless person, you don't know what they talk. There's no king. I'm your bevaredo, there's no king in Esan. They are enoge. They are dukes. They're not even rich duke. Enoge of Uromi. You know reach the leg where enoge of Enya. Take much ground. Enoge Uromi. Oh mama when no Enya yavi loto. Oh wasunwa. Fe enoge of Uromi stand before it Benejo today. They are Saba of Benin. Igbinedion, Ovio Kada, Oviedo, Ovie Sese. If Aslan and no job for me stand before Igbinedion, he will bow down before Igbinedion. Igbinedion can never bow down for Aslan. You they mad? You want to do comparison and do to the world? Let's go there. Tuna said a lie. Make Aslan go visit Igbinedion. Igbinedion and not Aslan will bow down for Igbinedion and greet him. Because I saw it, you cannot change that narrative. You can never change it. Yoruba people will not get sense. They won't even change something. They don't even use sense. They change our way. They say, Oduduwa came down from the sky. Like, seriously, are you people talking to fools? Or you are talking to your forefathers? Will be mumu. Not the grace. I saw it do. The word Oba is a Benin language. Go and check it. Go and check it. If to say the Oyibo people, Westerners, they know where they call Yoruba. Maybe na Yoruba land they for go kidnap their only king for them. Because Edo has been existing for millions of years. That was why they came to Benin Empire, Benin Kingdom. Yes, of course. We conquered a lot of we conquered a lot of places. So take to the recent Benin Republic one that they talk today. It's called Benin Republic. Even go reach Ghana, we conquer Benin Edo Empire. Benin Empire, we go conquer reach Ghana. We almost carry the whole Africa as Britain. They want conquer everywhere. Now, so we still conquer many people, many places for Africa. Not go there. We are fighters. We are warriors. We are great people. Abio. There's an adage in my language that says, Doba no bio naso lamogun. We are great people. So no idiot should come out there and say, this is when they talk. And I say me Esan person not break collar. Who know Esan? Now our wings they cover una. And as we don't remove our wing from, I not say now we, even when we be the Benin's where they online, now we still they fire una. I not say no go reach out because Aslan we go and beg. He cannot even go to the palace, to the great palace. He will call some chiefs and beg. I beg. Why we are not send all those idiots. They are Igbos, they are not Esans. I'm telling you the fact. Because Aslan will always beg. Because when they have you ever seen, say, since you were born, say they suspended Oba Benin. It's not done. Aslan was being suspended. Suspended. Because it's not known as a king. It's known as a duke, as a chief. As a subject to the Oba of Oba Nedo, to the great Oba of Benin. That was why Osomole could suspend him. And who came to his rescue? It was our God, our great God, our great second God on earth. That came to his rescue. Have you ever seen where people go palace? They'll say, hey, that's all this will happen. You know they happen. They went to Lagos, Oba of Lagos, they went there. He ran away. They destroyed his house. Not be even as politicians they look for him, police they look for him. Ajegule boys, una we be Yoruba people when they make noise up and down. Now Ajegule boys, they go about Lagos. That's nothing way built for them where they call palace. Now Ajegule boys, they go invade that one for them. Ajegule boys. As we still they talk now, he's nowhere to be found. Oh, the man said Tinubu they try. He not there again. So long now, Jegule boys. The Yariba people are Jegule boys. Now I go beat up over they beat up the player. The player now they even rape your wife. What you they talk? You they crazy. They talk and they talk. Empire they talk. Mumu they talk. Oh, Gwagberu Wagbijuwa. You want to compare wherever you came from to our great kingdom? Are you mad right now? Even Oni of Ife bows down for our great second God. Oni of Ife na small pikin, not rich. He know the history now. Is he mad? He bowed down for our great second God. He that crazy. You don't ever see her. Have you ever seen president go enter Nigeria? He go he go enter as a new president of Nigeria. He go visit Oni of Ife. Now Oni of Ife is a beggar. Oni of Ife na yahoo boy for all these politicians. Now they go they not for their gate. I beg, please, I want to see Mr. President. President no go even allow Onisia. That small boy we don't talk DJ so. Only way don't turn DJs where they play piano for everywhere. If guys don't take it for my remembrance, now only I'll go carry. May come play, may come do MC for my remembrance. May come they say 1, 2, 3. If guys not taking, or what Allah will boil do, he go speak Bini by force. He go singer. He go use Bini to count 1, 2, 3. Oh what Eva ha ne say ha. People see they come and say they talk about something. Una where Jegule boys go carry Oba of Lagos come for them where Oba of Lagos from the rape mama join her. Una see they come and they talk say una get this to Yariba people oh God below una they crazy. Former Oni of Ife. Former Oni of Ife. Ah God oh. Former the boy where they so where turn MC today. Where they read 1, 2, 3 they go for party. He papa where he buy before he can enter. He papa where he buy before he can enter. He papa wife. Sonia de Duduvaga papa wife. He give her belly. Sonia de use the late Oni of Ife, not the one where there so. The late Oni of Ife wife, he use her to single mother. Turn to single mother. The Oni of Ife where there today. Ordinary Zazu, I'm a babu. I live in the zoo. I'm a babu. Now they describe Oni of Ife wife Toto. You come out there and tell me you have history of Gwang Beluwa. Yariba people are the Chris. Where for the talk on the task? Come on, buddy. Now I will use cane flog on the Chris. Okay, that be Papa. Can you imagine? Even they said the only way there, so he buy her with money. The former Oni of Ife pikin not even he not even assume the throne. Now another person, hey, Yoruba people don't talk to Onyabibi people when they use 5 million naira to the bathroom. What they use less set of people without history. Who are so will ask check up. Oni of Ife what they say our Oni. Who know Oni will be MC. Zazu. Come on, Zazu. If I stand, Zazu can never stand for where I stand. Put as a presenter where I be. Zazu the grace. Zazu, he do the vaga Oni wife. He do the vaga and come they describe it Toto. He say Toto they make. He say Toto they blow. Portable say Oni of Ife wife Toto they blow whistle. He say man you because he do very straff farm. Now of course he come out. Me to know they make you me to you make not be they make. Can you imagine the comparability? Imagine the comparability. When I go look at someone who drag more for the whole of Edo. He not see my way even climb the chest to see today. Esan go to war those we marry a no we are back no we are me. Go and look at it. She's frustrated. She's now supporting all the Oyo bars. No man. Even though the man don't know say she was an heiress to a kingdom like this, the great Edo kingdom, Benin kingdom. Even though the man don't even know. The thing when they put for it, where it there for our body, that is what we call evanekmeni obidoyen. No be say that adage say evanekmeni obidoyen as in tree where tiger climb, leopard no fit climb am. No be say na only that one. The thing be say no be say anybody go know say tiger don't fit climb this tree. The thing just be say it is tradition. The day you became a wife to the great Edo kingdom, to the great second god of Edo land, it don't dey your body. Go. Don't see your bad wife who we married before. Oh, boy. Go and try it now. Oh, try to your way. Have you ever seen it in the history of Edo? You don't dare. You the Chris. Man, you know, be done here. Tell her, no, you don't dare there. Don't go plant. Don't dare there for long. Do you know why? Not be because say any man they fear the woman because if he marry Oba. No. No man will go close to that woman again. Even though they don't even know say the woman fe marry Oba. No man will ever, because that will be done there. The deed has been done. The day na view who guy either of four. The day na view who guy it don't go till. Even though he did 20 years. Otoke we okay ya wuno ede egbe mi o pelu hin ayin we ama o pelu hin aye yo wa to e no agwa ni manedo agwa ni nika. How can Homo Zazu we be monkey we say in a babu in the live for zoo but Zazu will not reach anything. Zazu will not even reach leg. Where who I want to make sure his name now? Which musician I want to make sure his name now? Oh God. Zazu not reach the leg where Easy Boy where you sing no girl say Uregbeni yari abi na he sing don't forget the music where that one sing. Zazu not reach the level of Easy Boy. Zazu straff only of his wife. Then the Yariba people now still get mad. They come out. They say, "Una de Chris, come on, una haters, una shut up." Wow, so I not una know yourself. Una know where una from. For the able they say to the word. Have you ever seen since you enter social media where you say Yoruba person come out and say Yoruba to the world? They don't say they are useless, they don't have culture, they don't have anything. They came from Edo. They came from Benin. They are our subjects. They are our subjects. They remain our subjects. You don't ever see president go visit Oni of Ife, they Chris. Don't be Oni of Ife, they book appointment for more than 10 years, 20 years to even see president. You dey Chris. Any president will enter Nigeria, you go visit, go our Oba, go meet our Oba for our palace, our great palace. He go Oyamu Botone. Because I'm not true. I true no nyawano. Do you understand what I'm saying? where we no. Oba me oba. Oba me uga no yebe o. Ime ogye o. Amiera baneto. Iwa ba me oba. Iwa bedo uga no eba me o. Iwi ma me ogye o. Amiera baneto. Oba me oba. Iwa bedo uga no. Iwi me oba o. Amiera baneto. Don't wanna yak your bedo. Do ano era gboke mi de e ma bia na e de ba bia me I don't de Iwa ba me mo ba o beto wuga no ye me o Iwi me age o Amiera baneto e biono Owe no ye do ga gi mi e mo tagun o ye me o wa da mi o me agwa no baga wane if you know the hear Bini go meet Bini person me interpret this my music to you not be music na wetin dey tele wa dey it don dey for history like 3 million years ago 3 million years ago. Iwe bono yebedo, agi mi ebo tagmo, edo me o. Ema tano, agwano baga wane diendo. Abono yebedo, agi mi ebo tagmo, oye me o. Ema tano, edo me, emotare ko. Iwikbo bare kanu. Ija no alega to gagi yore webo o ato yaye uga mi vie do mo gba o ni mo se wage do agi tu nweme bu webu ugwegbe ebe na tabunu e o we na se moto e na ya Ivie do Iwe no feel no get me. Iwe no diaki gaboy. Diaki gaboy. Agwo batak me. Oba nyanto. Yase webo. Edo odio. Emi wona ya gedo. Owe wona. Iwe mi wona. O take edo. Unu ya me. Emi e wono edo isi agbo. The jealousy is everywhere. No, I never marry, but I get children. I get people who are senior you. Jealousy is everywhere. Now you want to come out and say, I'm Esan. Oba is not my Oba. Oh, yeah, go and be fighting like the Biafus for years. Get your step before you say, hey, Esan to the world. Are you mad? Have you ever seen an Esan person? 2 years ago, even last year, yeah, they say, woo. All those music where they sing will not make sense. Now, even with the end, they promote them. So, some of you will carry every Mosele. Will be their greatest musician for Esan villages, for all the Esan village. Does not be we, now be their great musician, #1 musician. Not be we the Benins, the Edos we carry on come. no, not bath. We are fair for the talk. Una we be Esan, una talk for the. We are uchi for the talk. Una we be Esan, una talk for the. We are Agbo for the talk. Agbo people for the talk. Una we be Esan. You let una pull for the. The bunch of illiterates, they are all illiterates. When they speak, you don't even understand what they're saying. They speak English like they speak Esan. Bunch of illiterates. We have Ambrose Ali. Ambrose Ali is not an Esan man. Ambrose Ali is from the north. Useless people. And Bruce Ali is from the north. It's not even an Esan person. Show me one Esan person, Esan musician, whether they hear a name all over the world. And I will show you millions and billions of Benin musicians where they hear their name all over the world. Do you understand what I'm saying? A dot to the world. Now since una go touch the lion tail. Una want compete with una fathers, una leaders. Una want compete with una leaders. We can't slap una now no say Esan to the who was there's nothing like Esan. Esan now a do is a do. If you want to get your Esan, whatever Esan village enemy, group of Esan village people, my dear, fight like the Biafus. We be say all of the top prisoners today. They buy themselves. Imagine, una once fight Esan, son of una never even start. Una they make noise for sure. 2 or 3 of una they make noise now. Even now we be the Esans. Una don't they divide themselves. Some say they be Esan hip hop. Some say they be Esan Uromi. Some say they be Esan Ivoire. Uwa asungu. I'm a wire more when I'm a wire of you. Jealous. What it concern now with Okuku? Is Okuku your tradition? Does Okuku belong to Esan village people? Have you ever seen Aslam wife tie Okuku come put Igoloye? They get their own Okuku that they tie as village, as they be village. Ekboma, Ivoan enemy, Uromi enemy, there be villages. You don't ever see it? Now I come and nothing on that horse. Yes, of course. Nothing on that door. Take it or leave it. Don't have to go fight why be not for 90 big years, no date. If you not even get time for Ariana. Maybe Aria will not still get the Esan state. Una get any Aria will not take get them. Before now come they come and say Esan to the world. Was what? When I tell you both say Esan to the world, you say we is Esan. When you say Edo State, you go say okay, yes. Wow. As Biafra, the Biafus they do rich. They go print passport. They say that Biafra passport. Fear not let them carry the passport go embassy for the country where they made the proof visa. Then they crazy. They go arrest them now. We don't know Biafra country. We only know Nigeria. Oh yeah, go write Esan state for your passport. Whether they all deport you, go back, go meet Aslam for inside Uromi village when I did there. Walk belly care wodo. I mean son of belly care. Esan agbete. Ike ale. Unwame big guy ni ale wodo. Yeah, il big guy ni agbeli kan iwe ya wiyan. Yeah, do mu akpu, yeah, do akpu, yo akpu gbelu baba gbo. Ave digun amo ani bi akpu. Ibi gbe lo mama. Abi atemi ibi city. Wa di bi gbe wa do ladi ado agbon wa. E ma me ma abi ake ma be we do state. They say can't people for inside do state abi ake ma we do state. Who we doni e do no baje. Esan do ladi, Esan se ti ladi ekene fe maje. Wa wa ba bon. Ave digun awon ani mama e wa ni gbele kin. Ikin agbele, yin ara kin era. Yin ara kin. Yin ara yin ara. Yin ara yin ara. Ave ke Esan no gbele kin. Gbele kin. Esan gbe kin ya lu won mi big guy. Wa. Imagine. An Esan person go cook. Go use Gary leaf. A big guy. He go take a cook soup. He go constantly use Gary, akpu, take chopper. My beg us say na who we bo. Us say na we bo we ko we. Imagine who ye big guy ya akpu. He guy de ku gbe o fi o de yi. Akpu ogbe lu wa o ge afẹ́ ma be ka we ya uchi be ka we ya gwale seti ya Esan de wa de fiengeze wa ne putu wa na sakbuke wa na we ye ba mo koko no ja bi wa o ja ni obi wa ne bi o na iwa ye na o ja na obi wa bagbon o Esan rien gbelu wa agbe da we wa ba mo koko wa do adan lo la dia ara sakbuke ara dan ni pe ke Esan ni sala wa do asan no yo san no be wa o ya àtẹ̀wọ́n bá dìgbò tẹ̀yìn pò àwọn tẹ̀wọ́n bá lẹ́dọ̀ òbí Esan náà máa ẹ̀rọ gbìmọ̀ náà máa gbẹ̀tẹ̀ nígbèlè kí ẹ ọgbọ́n àbí ó yọmi àbí nẹ́nẹ́rin àbí ó yọmi ọgbọ́n ẹ̀rọ àhùwà ó yẹ tó láti ẹ̀dọ̀ àtà àmàkín ga Esan ńlá Esan ọ̀tọ̀ àwọn wetin àmì láti ugwe òhùwà àgbọ̀n ràtú sùhùngú. No, if we can't get to the state now, we wire cocaine. I wait 500 in the Wameme. Igwe son of Wameba. And I cook a say, I could go myself, or must see a coffee, Mamma, we coffee. I will wire cooking. Then if you son what I straight. No, I was straight. No, was true. No, was straight like didn't was straight like me. We wire cooking any more. No, anywhere, Esan village, Esan straight in what no was trainer. Akbu, here's a low boy. Well, while we news we see and then away in Nigeria, there's a place in Edo State, there's a village called Esan, Akbu Beleya, Akbu Wakbelia, who do me on your him do ye boy, I didn't have you who would do where Wakbu Belu would do. Eh? When I be who was who Wakmo. Ima gbogbo Esan ito akon wa genia eboya here wa venia here o here Esan village o we Esan o we is in Edo State o ya let's move here do have Jesu we mi ame no wa ya abile kun go ipolo mu wa ya abile kun go bi no go ne gbogbo wa ami Esan le bi apu Esan o ave temi mi ma gbon medo Esan edo ye gbe la abo Osan awesome. Yeah, I was in the boy. I don't know. Wow, I keep to beat the no mama. I want to make any activity. If you go, you wow. You can never see an adult person, a real adult person will come out. Beneath person will come and go say, be in a high pop. You wow. Look at this small son. Never ever go to that state now. When I know the share on ourselves, say, who Romina Biafra. Even now, sir, Baba,